This popular song, Paddy's Green Shamrock Shore, has been covered by several Irish folk singers. I'm using the three major chords from the G major scale. They are G major, C major and D major. Now D major is the dominant chord in the song. I'm actually leaving my third finger on the D note here on the second string right throughout the song for the various chord changes. That means of course then that I'm not playing the regular C chord, but I'm playing a variation of it. And the chord I'm playing is C add 9, very simple chord to play. My second finger, my middle finger, I place on the third fret of the fifth string and leave my third finger here on the D note of the second string. Now I'm using a finger picking pattern which I'll explain in a few minutes. So that's the C add 9 chord, and for the G major chord I'm using this fingering where I'm fretting the first and second strings with these two fingers, my third and fourth finger. So I use that variation of the G chord, and I'm also using another variation, the G major, a form of the G major 6 chord. Very simple chord. I just remove my little finger and my middle finger, and I'm left with my first finger on the fifth string and my third finger still on that D note, and again I pick. Now the song is in 3/4 time, which means there are 3 beats in the bar, and I'm using a finger picking pattern, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So for the 1 beat I am picking the root note with my thumb. So for the D major chord I'm picking the 4th string, and the rest of the pattern repeats right throughout. 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So it's root 1 and 2 and 3 and root, 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string. And that pattern repeats. The only thing will change is which note I pick with my thumb as the root note. So for that, we'll say the C add 9 chord, I move my second finger up to the 5th string, and that's the root note now. So the pattern is root 1 and 2 and 3 and for the G major 6 chord I put my first finger here on the second fret of the 5th string. Again, that's now the root note, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and for the G major chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So those 3 chords again: D major, C add 9, G major 7, G major 6, I beg your pardon, and G major. Now when I'm playing the D major chord in the song, I'm playing it for a number of bars, and for variation I alternate my thumb for the 1 beat from bar to bar. So bar 1, next bar I move my thumb and pick the 5th string. For the next bar I would go back to the 4th string, and so on.